Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Auto Tag plugin for the Magento 2 platform. And in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how the web store owner for the Magento 2 platform would be able to create multiple tags for the orders and how he can auto assign or manually assign the orders that arrive at the store itself. Apart from that, we'll also be showing you the backend configuration that is required before making use of this particular functionality within the Magento 2 store. So basically, before we proceed further, let me give you a small gist about this auto tag plugin for the Magento 2 platform. So basically, this auto tag plugin provides a better auto management procedure for the store owner, and having a tag on every order shows the type of order, and so the owner can proceed further with the arrived orders. The admin can create different types of tags from their end and can assign them to the orders, and the tags are also auto assigned to the orders as per the rules that have been set by the admin from the configuration settings of this particular plugin. So apart from creating the various tags as per the various tag appearances like the text, image, or both for the orders, the tags that can be used are like refund, urgent, bulk order, fast delivery, etc. So now let's get ahead and let's see how this particular auto tag plugin for Magento 2 works. So for that, I'll just take you to the admin backend, and we'll be seeing how the admin can manage the order tags. So for that, I'll just take you to the admin backend panel now. So here I am at the Magento 2 store backend. So I'll be entering my username and password and tapping on the sign in button, and thereafter we'll be able to see the dashboard initially. So we've logged into our account. Now after you've successfully installed this particular plugin, then for the initial configuration to enable this particular module's functionality, we need to navigate through stores. Then we'll go to configuration, and on the configuration page under the web pool block, we need to navigate to the order tags. So right now, as this is just a demonstration, so some other modules are also visible right now. So after you've purchased the auto tags and you've installed it, you'll have this auto tags option for configuring the plugin itself. So just tap on the auto tags link or the submenu option, and that would bring up the general settings for the module, wherein the admin would be able to enable or disable by choosing a yes or a no. So choosing a yes would enable it. Otherwise, if you want to disable the functionality, just choose a no and tap on the save configuration button. So after that, let me go ahead and let me show you how the admin would be able to manage the order tags. So for that, on the side panel here, you can see that we have the order tags management. So just tap that up, and below that we have the option to manage the tags. So let me tap that up. So right now we are on the page wherein we can basically manage all of the tags the admin has created. So from here, the admin basically can delete the tags by selecting the tags initially and then choosing a delete option from the actions drop down. The admin can also in bulk change the status by like enable or disable, but first he needs to check the tags that are to be enabled or disabled. And apart from that, the admin can also basically can manually delete or update the created tags by choosing that respective tag and then enabling or disabling or deleting the tag there. So to create a new tag, the admin basically can tap here on the create new tag. And before that, let me tell you that the admin can also basically filter the tags on the basis of the tag name, its ID from and to values, and the status as enabled or disabled. So let's tap on the create new tag button here, and that will bring up this section to create a new tag. So here we are on the new tag information page, as you can see, and for the tag we have two different sections to configure. One is the tag info and the other one is the tag auto assignment. Now under the tag information here we have the tag information and the customized tag option, as you can see. So we need to configure the tag information first. So here basically the admin would have to enter the name of the tag. He can then enable or disable the status of this tag that the admin is going to create. He can set up the sort order for the tag. So uh, after setting up the sort order, now under the customize tag, the admin just needs to basically select the appearance of the tag. So here are three different appearances that can be chosen for the tag appearance, or the visual appearance of the particular tag that the admin has created. So the admin can choose a text, image, or both image and text as the tag appearance. Thereafter, the admin can set up the tags label text, and this text will appear on the tag label itself. Apart from that, the admin can choose the label color, and he can choose any of the label colors that he wants to set up. And lastly, we have the tag label text color. So basically here the admin can select the text color that would be visible on the label itself. So it's the color of the color of the label text that is there on the tag itself. And after configuring these three sections here, also for example, we have initially we have selected the tag appearance as text. So if we choose this as image, then you can see that here the admin can basically choose the label image for the tag itself, and the admin can upload the JPEG, JPG and GIF and the ping images that are of the size 32 by 32. And if the admin chooses the tag appearance as both image and text, then the admin needs to set up the label text, label color, tag label text color, and can also set up the label image for the tag itself. So if you choose only text, then only text would be displayed. Image, only image would be displayed on the for the tag. And if we choose both image and text, then the image and text would be displayed for the particular tag that we are going to create. Now under the tag auto assignment, here we can see that we have the option to enable the auto assignment of the tags. So to auto assign the tags to the orders, you can choose a yes, and under that you can basically create the conditions that would basically when they are fit, they would actually assign themselves to the particular or the respective orders that have been placed within the Magento 2 web store itself. So the admin can basically set up the auto assignment conditions here, and if all the set conditions are true for any of the orders, then the tag will be assigned, or the tag will be auto assigned to that particular order. Now after showing how we can create the order and manage the orders, now let's go to the manage orders section. So for that we'll go to the sales section first. So for that I'll just navigate to sales, and then I'll go to orders. So here we are on the orders page. So here we can see all of the orders that have been placed for the that have been placed for this particular web store. And here basically the admin can do a manual assignment of the tags, but for that the admin needs to select the orders first, and then they need to select the assign tag under the actions column here. So here we have the assign tag option. So for example, let's go to the order number 16. So this is how we can manually assign the tags to the products, by navigating through sales and then orders. I'm sorry, for the orders itself. So we need to navigate through sales and then orders, and we'll be assigning the tags to the orders itself. And from the actions drop down, we'll just tap on the assign tag, and here you can see a prompt wherein we can that says that you're assigning the tags to the order number. So from the drop down here, the admin basically can choose the tag for this particular order. For example, we want to set it as a VIP, and it's a heavy shipment maybe, and it's urgent, and it's the order is in bulk. And then we can tap the assign button here, and that would assign basically the tags to this order. So now you can see that the tags have been mapped successfully with the order, and we have mapped the particular tags manually to that order number 16. So that's how we can basically manually assign the order tags to the orders that have been placed within our store. That was much about the order tags for the Magento 2 platform, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how we can manage and add the tags from the admin backend, how we can make use of the text, image, and text plus image tags, tag appearances from the admin backend panel, how we can basically assign or auto assign the tags to the orders when the conditions are met from the admin backend panel. And we also showed you how we can manually assign tags to a particular order from the admin backend panel. It was much, and if you have any questions or queries regarding this particular plugin, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.ubdes.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.